Hello everyone. So without wasting any time, let's get started on the technical analysis and few other things. So make sure you watch the complete video. So guys, don't forget, I'm the guy who got all of this up move. I'm the guy who got this bottom. I'm the guy who got this move and who called short here. I'm the guy who shorted from here and then who got this bottom. I'm the guy who called for this later on up move. And when it happened, I'm the guy who called for the decline. But when everybody was saying this was a breakout, trend line breakout, and this was a flat, and it was going to go up, I was a guy who called short here, and I was a guy who called short even over here. All of my videos are on YouTube, and there is no postman commentary. And by God, if history is any proof, then I'm going to get the next move. I'm going to get the next bottom when it will come. So when it comes to the daily move, I don't think there is anybody on internet or maybe in common knowledge of common people who is better than me. So this is what I wanted to make you guys realize that if you want to make money, you guys only need to follow or watch my videos. I would never waste your time because I'm not in this game for the YouTube hours to complete the subscriber counts or to complete the YouTube watch hours and get revenue from the AdSense. I'm not in this game. I'm in this game for something else. And because I want to provide limited value, somewhat limited value to my YouTube subscribers. So I will tell you what's going to happen. So in the coming days, we may get a bounce and then more decline. But there is no big crash coming. I think by the September end or the early October, probably around October 5, we should have the bottom and then we should start the up move. So this is the most I can tell you for free on the YouTube. Rest of the information will be reserved for my group members. And I just showed you, and if history is any judge, that all of my swings have been right, except for this thing which I got wrong. But over that time, if you watch my videos, when I made over here, I stopped trading the daily swing. I told you that I was now trading a different algorithm, which was on intraday. So it made a mistake over here, but I'm not providing you an alibi. I'm just telling you that except for even if you count this one, except for this thing, I got everything, each and every turn right, each and every turn right, and especially this prediction when this big fall happened, when all the city analysts on internet were calling for the up move, the same useless guys who were calling for the crash over here, Money Time Machine and others, FX Evolution and others, Ron Walker and others. And imagine Ron Walker over here calling for gap fill. I was the only person on YouTube and Twitter who was calling for the decline. Go check it. Either the people were bullish or they were making two arrows. If CPI will come this, then that. If CPI will come, PPI will come this, then that. Except for me. So this is a new reality, guys. If you want to make money, you guys only need to follow me. If you will follow other people, then it will mess up your network, it will mess up your mind, it will mess up your psychology, and then you will never ever be a good trader. Because this is a secret somebody told me when I started trading 6 years ago, more than half a decade ago, that you need to listen to the correct people. If you listen to the nonsense, then you will end up being a pile of nonsense. You will end up being garbage. You will end up being shit. So this is a reality I'm trying to tell you. I am the only thing which matters now when it comes to making money, following signals for free on YouTube. If you listen to anybody else, then may the God be with you, but you're not going to cut it. Because by the time you will end up listening to others, your psychology will be totally in tatters, totally messed up, totally down the drain, totally in the garbage bin. So understand the element which I'm trying to teach you. Now coming to the other part. So I got two algorithms. One is the daily swing, which I just explained briefly to you guys. But to my group members, I, diligently and without any remorse and without any qualms, I constantly bombard and hammer them in their brains that my EIP daily signal is on a sell or a buy. So beware of if you are trying to trade against them. But if you trade against them, then you are on your own. On the other hand, there is a there is here's my intraday algorithm, which I am constantly working on, and which I am through which I am enabling my group members to trade on their own. For example, I am giving them the indicators, I am giving them the instruments, I am giving them the tools through which they can understand and see what I am talking about. And I am also improving it myself every day. So what happened yesterday when this was going up over here? My reversal indicator was showing the divergence. So I knew that this thing was going to go down, and I posted in my group that we are going to go dump. And then when this made over here, it made a hidden bearish flat. So it was a confirmation that it was going to go down for the gap fill. And when it came here for the gap fill, I said it can go up. And when it went up over here, I said it can come down to 900. And it came down to 14,888. Almost at 900. So the intraday algorithm is not as good as a daily one. Daily, I think my daily swings are second to none. My daily swings success ratio so far is 100%. I don't think I could go wrong with the daily. But for the intraday, my success ratio is 85%. So this is a new reality if you are going to embrace it. And if you want to make money through it, this is the only thing which matters now. And it's not like this that I'm going to spoon feed you. I'm not one of those guys. I will just give you these indicators and I will expect you to, manage these things on your own. Of course, I will be just educating you all this while, but you should have enough talent and understanding of the trading markets that you should be able to trade the markets without my effort. Like, for example, if you had this indicator, which I just launched 2 days ago, and you saw this, and you saw this, then you know it was going to go and decline. But this indicator was launched only 2 days ago. So now my members have these indicators, and it is very good in finding reversal intraday in 4 minutes. Designed for it. Why 4 minutes? Because there are 390 minutes in a day sessions in a New York session. So I cannot do 3.9 minutes. So I optimize it for the 4 minute, dividing it into equal parts of 100, and I try to make this thing hidden bearish, oscillator making higher high, price making lower low. It was destined to go down, and this is how I was trading the whole time on Friday. And when I was trading, somebody wrote this thing. You're playing Nasdaq like video games, so funny, as if you're moving the whole market on your finger. So that was a really hilarious comment on Friday, because The way I was trading intraday market on Friday was just playing like a video game. And before I end this video, I want to tell you how important the network is. And without network and without the people surrounding you, if they are not good, you're never going to be successful. For example, if I know how to make money, if all of the people I know, they all know how to make money, they're all millionaires, then how is it not possible that also do not make money? So it's very important that you surround yourself with the successful people and successful traders. That's why network is very important. That's why surrounding yourself with the correct guys are very important. And the second thing is, if you don't know how to make money, then there are only three things which are involved. Either you're stupid or arrogant or lazy. Because if you are, and you just need to identify which one of these things are you. Either you're stupid or arrogant or lazy. Because these are the only three things. Because I talk to people on WhatsApp and they message me that why didn't you make a video one day before the big crash happened over here? Why you didn't make the video over here? So I did make a video not one day before the crash, but I did make a video 2 days before the crash over here. And also I made a video over here when this went up that this thing is going to plummet. But of course, I did not make a video exactly one day before the crash. Why? Because I have to be fair with my group members. I can just give you overview of what is going to come on YouTube for free, but I'm not going to spoon feed you my daily signals to freebies. I already told you, my I have a big disdain for electrician type people. I have a big disdain and disgust for the people who think that they can follow the signals and become rich. So I'm not gonna just give you my daily signals without any qualms and allow any electrician to just follow me. You guys go and watch the videos I did over here and watch the videos I did over here. Maybe 1 or 2 days before the interest rate. And I did say this is going to dump when everybody was saying this is a trend line breakout. PPI, CPI, TPI. So you guys need to identify what kind of network do you have, which kind of people do you listen to, and also either you are lazy, arrogant, or just simply a stupid person who doesn't know what I'm talking about. And if my history is anything, if my 6 months of history on YouTube is anything, if it's worth any salt, then it's about time you join the group. The link is in the comment section, and you have the WhatsApp number to communicate to in case you need any help. And I won't be spoon feeding you the signals, or of course I'll be telling you the signals, but you should enable yourself to learn trading by your own self through the indicators which I'll give you. Otherwise, you will remain where you are, and this is the only reality. And you will you will just keep watching the whole thing, and when a bottom will be found in the coming days, you will end up being short, and you will miss the whole move which will come. You will miss the whole up move which will come. Just go watch Twitter and YouTube right now. Every nonsense person, zero intelligent person, zero intelligence person is bearish right now. Just go watch it. It's so disgusting. Whereas market will just go a little bit up, go down, and most likely form bottom by the early October or end of September, and then we'll go up. But don't expect me to make video just when the bottom will be forming, and don't expect me to guide you on intraday because I am not for electricians. So this is a WhatsApp number in case you need any help in joining my group. My daily signals are 100% and my intraday signals are 85%. So if it is worth anything to you, what I mean by it, if you understand percentages and if you understand, then even if you write 51% of the time, you can end up being a millionaire. And here's a guy who is 100% correct on the daily swings, and on intraday swings, he is more than 80% correct. Then the link is in the comment section, and this is a WhatsApp number to communicate in case you need any help in joining the group. And I wish you success. And I wish you to, change and revamp and redo your mentality, because this is the only way which will make you successful. Messaging me after the dump and telling me why you didn't make video one day ago is not going to help it, because of course I will not make the video one day before. I will just I'll just make a cryptic video 2 3 days ago, because I have to be fair with my group. I've got more than 25 30 people in my group and I have to be fair with them. I'm not gonna just give you the signals and with those guys also paying for the services. And I don't need the money. I just donate the whole thing to the charity. But this money is important. This subscription is important to weed out the people I do not want in my group. Otherwise, all sort of electricians and plumbers will get into my group. I want people who are willing to learn, who are okay in paying for the learning and paying for the subscription and paying for the service they are going to get. I'm not gonna cheapstake my service and put my service on a low pedestal just because any I can have more members. I'm happy with my 30 members, and I know soon I will have more members. But I don't need the money. This money is for weeding out the unwanted people in my group. So I wish you best of luck, and I hope you understand my humor also. I don't mean to mock you, but I just want to make you guys understand the mistakes I made 6 years ago when I started trading. Because I used to have no clue. I used to have zero idea what the market is planning to do. I will end the video.